Welcome to my channel, Applied Virtual Solutions. My name is May. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today I have some information on a job from TriNet. The position that TriNet is hiring for is a customer advocate, and it's a remote position in the United States. TriNet is a leading provider of comprehensive human resource solutions for small to mid-sized businesses. They enhance business productivity by enabling their clients to resource and outsource their HR function to one strategic partner and allowing them to focus on operating and growing their core businesses. TriNet has a nationwide presence and an experienced executive team. And one thing that TriNet do emphasize on is if you don't meet every single requirement, according to TriNet, studies have shown that women and people of color are less likely to apply to jobs unless they meet every single requirement. At TriNet, we try and are dedicated to building a diverse, inclusive, and authentic workplace. So if you're excited about this role, but your past experience doesn't align perfectly with every single qualification in the job description, they encourage you to apply anyway. You may just be right for this job or other roles. What you will do, you'll be the face and voice of Zenefits once their customers are up and running on the platform. You will provide Tier 1 customer support through phone, email, and chat. And you will help customers get through critical moments with ease by taking a systematic approach to problem solving and applying just a bit of detective work to solve any issue that comes your way. You will run point on customer issues that require masterful coordination between multiple Zenfits teams. You will act as the voice of the customers to help prioritize future enhancement to the platform. The education qualifications. General education, vocational training, and or on-the-job training required. Bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience preferred. The experience qualification. Typically 1+ years work experience in a customer service or call center environment preferred. The skills and abilities. Excellent written, oral communication, interpersonal, a passion for customer advocacy and empathy, an aptitude for learning new products, processes, and systems, organizational management, and settings priorities. The work environment that they would like you to have at home. Your work in a clean, pleasant, and comfortable home or office setting. The work environment characteristics described here are representative of those an employee encounters while performing the essential functions of this job. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable persons with disabilities to perform the essential functions. Positives and positions may be considered remote and require reliable and consistent internet service. The salary for this role is $41,600 to $57,720 per year. The candidate's final salary offer will be based on the candidate's skills, education, work location, and experience. So a candidate's compensation may also include bonuses consistent with TriNet's bonus plan. Additionally, Subject to applicable eligibility requirements, TriNet offers permanent full-time employees a variety of benefits, including medical, dental, and vision plans, life and disability insurance, a 401k savings plan, an employee stock purchase plan, company observed holidays, PTO, and a comprehensive leave program. So please click the following link for detailed information about their benefit offerings right here. TriNet is an equal opportunity employer and does not discriminate against applicants based on race, religion, color, disability, medical condition, legally protected genetic information, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, marital status, gender identity or expression, sex, age, veteran status, or other legally protected characteristics. And any applicant with a mental or physical disability who requires an accommodation during the application process should contact recruiting at trinet.com to request such accommodations. And here you can see similar jobs to the one that we just went over. One, one, slide two, and slide three. And you could go here and check some of these jobs out too. So if you want to apply for the job, you apply here. You don't need to have an account. You can get started right away by simply using your email. So place your email here, and I agree to the terms, and go to next. Then you will come to this screen, and you can upload your resume here, put in your contact information, last name, first name, title, middle name, email address, re-enter your email address and phone number, and then put in your address, city, state, zip, and if you have address line 1 and 2. Then you go down here to your application questions. So please answer the following questions. So the source of your application, where did you hear about the job? So you can choose something here. And also, will you now or in the future require visa sponsorship? Yes, no, or no answer. If hired, can you submit verification of any legal right to work in the United States? And you check the one here that applies to you. Also, how or have you worked for or applied for a position at TriNet before? Yes, no, or no answer. Do you have experience working for a professional employer, organization, or similar outsourcing company? Yes, no, or no answer. Are you at least 18 years of age? Yes, no, or no answer. It's best to answer these yes or no because no answer, they're going to ask you a lot more questions once the interview process comes. Or they might go to someone else that gave them the answers first. So, experience. Please provide details about your work experience. So, you add your experience here, employer, title, the start date, the end date, and is it your current job? You click here. And then you hit done. Then you go to education. Do you have a degree? Or you click something here, high school diploma, bachelor's, associate, master's, and a major, what your major was, if you was in college, your school name, the start date and year, the end date, well, the month and year, and if you graduated, click this box. Then you hit done again. Now we're here at add a license. So if you had Any license or certificate, you will put it in this area and hit done. Now, diversity information. So you'll pick your ethnicity and then you pick your gender and you will do disability information. This information is voluntary self-identification or disability. So you can fill it out or you really don't have to. Also, you have your veteran status. Then supporting documents. You can upload your resume here and add your cover letter here. And this is for a link. Some people have links to their resume or cover letters. So next you will put in your e-signature, but they would like you to read the following statements carefully, then acknowledge that you have read and approve it by providing the information requested at the bottom of this page. And please note that an e-signature is the electronic equivalent of a handwritten signature. So you will read this information, make sure that you agree. And when you finish, you can hit show less if you like. Put your full name in here, first, last name, or whatever you used when you was putting in your name. And then you will hit submit. And that will be the end of the application process. And you will receive an email showing that they received it and what the next step is to take. So this is all I have for you today. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities. And also have a great rest of your day.